Hey there, YouTubers. Gman from Texas. Hey, I'm driving to Port Aransas today. See if I can do some fishing at the Texas Gulf. See what we can catch. Come with me, guys. So I took my drone and I put about 250 yards of line on my reel, and I took it all the way out there, every bit of it. And I thought that would give me a better chance.
It hasn't released it. Ya lo hizo. It did.
If I really wanted to be lazy, I'd buy one of those Heiko's electric reels. This thing's hard.
Yeah. Birthday present, Bobby.
That thing was so far out there, it took me forever to bring that line in. I'm gonna need one of those electric reels that Heiko sells from PC Fun.
What happened?
Destroyed my dinner.
Anytime now. We're getting bored. Come on, get that thing out of the water.
It's way out there. Reading for a while.
Goodness, that's a big one! Is it? Oh no, it's not that one. Well, yeah, it is big. What is that?
It's a baby shark.
Holy cow.
It's a baby hammerhead.
Yes. I don't want that. Wait, let me see him. How are you gonna get that thing out of there?
Very carefully.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna need my gloves and the plier.
Okay.
Come on, we gotta save it.
We gotta save him?
Yeah,
Here.
of course.
Here. Is he gonna bite?
Yeah, you can bite.
Pliers?
picture of it before I take it off?
Eh?
Take a picture before I take it off.
Yeah.
There's no free lunch here.
Maybe it's the mother now.
The drag. Hope he's not mama shark.
Yeah. Good luck with that.
Please, I cut the line and run.
Guys, I realized that the wind noise is horrible. I was going to edit it out, but I figured why not give you the exact experience. I'm glad it was windy because I kept the mosquitoes away. So anyway, hope you can take it. Here we go. Did some evening and some morning fishing. Now the evening bite tended to be a little better, although I got a bunch of those saltwater catfish. It's not really what I wanted. I was going after those redfish like I got it last year, but no luck this year, guys. Still, it was a lot of fun, that's for sure.
I think I got something. It's not pulling a lot. It might not be too big, but something.
Hey, come on, G-Man, bring that thing in. Come on, bring me that fish. That's mine, bro. Mine. Bring it in.
Another one bites the dust. Looks like a catfish. I say it's a baby shark. Sounds better. Alright, so we had pretty good luck in that first cast. With the drone going all the way out there. So I'm trying it again, see what happens.
There it is.
This is what Captain Dan from the Florida Fishing Couple calls a genuine rockfish. You see, Cap, you're not the only one that catches those monsters.
Right, Cap? You're not the only one, Cap. The Gman from Texas does the same thing.
I think better than you.
Well, I got the last fish of the day. See what we get.
Probably a shoe.
Be a good one because I'm hungry.
It's a meow meow.
Saltwater catfish. I ain't interested in it, so I'll say we lie.
Let me see it.
You gotta swallow the hook, so I gotta get the pliers.
Oh God. That will be a show. There it is. There it's coming. I see it. What is that?
The people next door were cheering when I caught this ladyfish.
You definitely got something. Boy, that's dinner. All right, just leave it, leave it.
Mama, we're home. We are home. Yay! Are you happy, Mommy? We're home.
Well, guys, I'm back home in Lake Fort, Texas. It was a pretty interesting trip. Had a lot of fun, but it took me 9 hours to get home and I'm so tired. So, guys, I hope you liked the video. Give it that thumbs up if you could. And like I always say, peace, y'all.